I've posted on here every single day for 95 or 96 days now. I'm not sure where we're at, but close to 100 days every single day, talking about my life very, very intimately. Not like that intimately, obviously, with boundaries, but enough that you have a pretty close look into what I value, what matters to me, what's on my heart, what's on my mind, what my aspirations are, what I'm looking forward to, what keeps me up at night. you know, it's been very interesting that I've been able to show up in this capacity without burning myself out. Like, I don't know. I literally I haven't figured it out. My job is to just show up, so I'm not going to even start. And so, yeah, I'm just like thinking about like how much I used to struggle with discipline, and I had just accepted that for so long. I just accepted it. I'm just like, well, I'm just the type of person, I ain't got the discipline, and what? I'm just like, I desire it, but my words would like counteract my lack of action. So I never acted, you know? I would be like, girl, I can't keep a streak for the life of me. Girl, I can't do nothing for the life of me. I can't do it. I can't do it. But deeply, I desire this. I'm like, I want to be a person of discipline. I want to be somebody who says, I'm going to do this and I follow through, you know? And so to blink and like 100 days later, how literally having this daily practice propelled me to being more consistent in so many other areas of my life. I can't like I've now stacked up maybe 3 or 4 daily practices. It's like I do this every single day, and it's like it's made my life so much easier too, because it's like I'm not doing this as a challenge. It's just like this is what I did today. You know what I mean? That makes it so much easier than like, oh, let me just do this challenge real quick for 10 days. Let me see if I can make it. Anyways, that's not even what this is even about, but it's really the vulnerability with which I've shown up on here. It's it's pushing me so much. And you know, um it's Monday, May 25th. It's 4:21 a.m. And today is a very strange day for me because I have 2 videos that are coming out. I'm about to post about quitting my job, and I don't know why it's hard for me. I've come to peace with this. Everybody around me has come to peace with this and have supported me. But this is a different layer of vulnerability that I'm allowing the internet access to, you know? And even that has been like figuring out what I feel safe talking about. Um, I don't even talk about the things I don't want to talk about. Like, I don't want to talk about it, so I'm not even gonna say that I don't want to talk about it. You're just not gonna hear about it, period. You know? And so yeah, I just feel very vulnerable to say this out loud. Like, oh yeah, I did this thing. I've made this decision. And it's weird. I'm not thinking about how it will be I am thinking about how it will be received. I'm thinking about how it will be received by people who think they know me. And it's like, okay, and why? Like, and why? So that makes me feel very vulnerable. Like I just feel so like internally. I just feel that's why I'm up. I'm just up and I'm stressed. And also I just started a second YouTube channel because this wasn't enough. I didn't have enough on my plate. All the things I have to do wasn't enough. Let's add a second YouTube channel to that. But you know, I've been talking candidly on here about my public art project that is launching ASAP. Um, and I just found that like it was getting buried in my daily practice on here, and this deserves space, but also it deserves space. And I was literally in the bed and I was like, oh my gosh, how crazy would it be if I just started a YouTube channel for it and that's where everything would go? Duh. Even coming to peace with like, I don't just want to post it on my Instagram, but also I don't want to post it on my studio's Instagram because it's going to be mixed in with too much stuff. Give it its own Instagram. It has its own Instagram. It's gonna have its own webpage. It's gonna have its own YouTube channel. And I'm like, yes, my brain loves the bucket. My brain loves this goes here and this goes here. So and I just recorded the first video for that. It's gonna be a daily log. I'm like, what? It's gonna be a daily log of literally what I do every single day for 100 days leading up to, well, not leading up to, it's gonna be like the 100 days of my public art project. June and July, collecting stories. August, exhibition. September, wrap. Well, end of August, wrap. So that's 100 days. It's gonna be 100 days of today I did this, today I did this, today I sent an email, today I went for a walk, today I had a meeting. Like, it's weird, like having a specific place to literally show me documenting my personal philosophy in real time. And it's kind of cool too, because like I literally started this on TikTok maybe 2 years ago, just to get myself motivated to do something, just to get myself motivated to just take an action when you don't feel motivated, when you're trying to push through, when you lack the discipline. And now I'm like, I have this daily practice, I have that daily practice. Now it's like I've fallen into the rhythm of things. I'm so proud of myself in this moment. So yeah, I'm just like, I'm nervous about the video coming out about me quitting my job. I'm nervous about this new space that I've created, which there's nothing to be nervous about. Like, I'm just like, I already have momentum. I'm just like now documenting and allowing people to witness my process. It's not gonna change the way that I approach my work. It's not gonna change anything. It's just like, you're literally witnessing me doing this thing. Like, if you find the YouTube channel, maybe 3 months from now, if a new viewer comes across, this is your archive in August, and like, oh, this is a cool project, they could literally go back and say, today I sent an email, today I installed, today we opened, today we closed. Like, I think there's something so cool about that. An archiving an archive. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm feeling a little bit nervous. I'm feeling very like internally, emotionally mushy. And so, yeah, that's what I wanted to talk about. The more candid I become about becoming, like literally becoming publicly trying, publicly failing. I come on here and I'm like, I applied for the grant, I didn't get it. I applied for the residency, I didn't get it. For some reason, these people will not let me into their residencies. I'm very candid on here, and it's weird. Like, it's always felt, I don't know, I feel safe here. I feel safe being like, well, shit, here's what's going on in my life. So yeah. If anything, nothing changes. It's just every day brings more clarity. Every single day brings more clarity. I'm gonna do a video talking about like lessons that I've learned from like showing up on here every single day for 100 days. At some point, I just don't have the time. She says that she's recording this at 4:30 a.m. But like, one of the things that this really revealed to me is like my capacity to clearly articulate things that I'm dealing with deeply, or like clearly articulate things that I'm processing through, and extend myself as much grace as possible through the process, and being as kind with myself as possible through the crazy. you know? So yeah. Yeah. We'll see what happens, child. I'm gonna start talking about this next season of my life, what it's gonna look like. And I'm so excited. Like, I have so many things out on the horizon for me. And my job is just to show up. Show up every single day, do one thing a day, and go lay down. That feels good. That feels good to me. That feels sustainable to me. So yeah, please check out the This Is Your Archive YouTube channel. Check out the This Is Your Archive Instagram page. Right now it says This Is Worcester on my website, but so it's like specifically for this project like this first project. But I need to make a This Is Your Archive landing page. Okay, here are the things that I need to do. Because it would be cool. I just want to give this one a space. Like, I feel like once it opens, like literally the show opens, it's going to be like, oh, by the way, October, we're going to do the next one in October. Boom. You know what I mean? So that's not like too much at the same time. So it's going to be like, this is Worcester. Bam. Well, like summer 2026. Bam. And then when it opens, it's like fall 2026. Here's the next thing. We already have the next thing lined up for you. So yeah, y'all. I don't know. I'm very proud of myself for the way that I just show up for myself every single day. On here, off here. Like, this is how I am. This is just how I am with myself. I believe in myself a lot. I believe in I was gonna say I believe in my beliefs. But I do. I believe in my beliefs. I believe in the things that convict me. I believe in my convictions. As crazy as they can be. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just like my belief of myself is stronger than my perception of people's perception of me. That was a lot. Stay with me. Like, what I know to be of a truth in and of myself is stronger than what I think you think about me. You can watch a video, you can watch 12 minutes of this video, and you've made a decision about who you think that I am. And maybe it's aligned. Maybe it's very close to who I actually am, or maybe it's far removed. But within myself, I've come to peace with who I know myself to be. I've come to peace with what I know my philosophy is. I've come to peace with what I think my contribution is to the world. And that's the only thing I can control. Like, I can't control how people perceive me. I think this is like a rant on perception. I'm so sorry. I should have started with that. That's why I'm struggling. That's why I'm up at 4:32 a.m. stressing, because I'm like, I'm about to post about quitting my job. I'm about to post about doing this thing publicly. I feel vulnerable. I feel very mushy. And I wonder how people will receive it. I want to control how people receive this. And you can't. You literally cannot. So I cannot control people's perception of me. But in and of myself, I know that I've made this decision that I've made. I made this decision a year ago. It took me a year to plan and prep every single day for this decision that I'm making. And so you just see, Lynn quit her job. I see, I've been here. I've been here. Also, I have a plan for here and out. I have a plan for Q2, Q3, Q4. I'm an undiagnosed type A. I have everything figured out for my life. Allegedly. Until God says, do this, do that. You know? So, like, my assurance deep within myself keeps me grounded when my brain starts spiraling about how people perceive me, because I can't control that. But I know this. I know preparation I've put into this. I know the care put into this. I know the love that I've poured into this. This I can control. That I can't. is what I mean. That's what I mean by that. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Should this be, I'm gonna post this like right now, so I also don't overthink this. So here's a little bonus for you at 4:30 a.m. But yeah, I feel really, really good. I feel strangely good. And I'm navigating so much right now. My life is a mess. When I say my life is a mess, I'm in the hospital every 2 days. Like, my body is crashing out on me. But I feel like it has a lot to do with like burnout and ignoring signs. But like now that I'm slowing down my pace a lot, hopefully not pushing myself as much. This cannot be a new normal again, Lynn. Please, staying up to 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna do better after today. After today. But yeah, juggling a lot, but also at peace. I feel good enough myself. I trust myself to make the best decisions for me at all times. I feel good. I'm in a really good place. So, ciao. Anyways, that's it. That's my piece for today. All right, y'all take it easy. Do not let them stress you out. Do not let life get you down. Okay? Trust yourself. Trust in your ability to land on your feet every single time. Trust that God got you. Trust that I got you. Okay? We gonna live to tell the tale. Good night.